In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT as your personal assistant. This versatile AI can help streamline your day-to-day tasks, manage your responsibilities, and even boost your productivity. So let's jump right in and explore how you can turn ChatGPT into your very own digital assistant. First, let's start by opening ChatGPT. Whether you're on your desktop or using your mobile device, accessing ChatGPT is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to chat.openai.com in your web browser, or if you prefer using a mobile application, you can open the ChatGPT app on your iOS or Android device. Now, go ahead and initiate a new chat session. This fresh slate will ensure that you have a dedicated space for all your upcoming interactions. Next, we need to give ChatGPT the right frame of mind to assist you efficiently. A great way to do this is by setting a clear intention. For instance, you can say, "From now on, act as my personal assistant." This sets the stage for ChatGPT to understand its role. You can further instruct it with specific tasks like managing reminders, handling emails, or brainstorming ideas, which essentially frames how you want it to support you. Make sure to emphasize the importance of clarity and encourage it to ask follow-up questions whenever needed, which will help it better tailor its responses to your requirements. Once you've told ChatGPT to act as your assistant, it's time to start using it for daily support. This is where you can truly harness the breadth of its capabilities. For managing your tasks, you could request, "Create a to-do list for my work today with priorities." If you have concerns at work, it can draft a professional email asking your boss for an extension on a project deadline. Planning for a healthy and organized lifestyle? Ask ChatGPT to plan your meals for the week and provide you with a simple grocery list. This versatility allows you to handle various facets of your life with ease, putting everything you need into an accessible format. To maximize the effectiveness of using ChatGPT as your assistant, maintaining context is key. For instance, if your focus this month is on fitness and work productivity, tell ChatGPT to remind you during every session to check your progress in these areas. This consistent reinforcement not only helps you stay on track with your goals, but also allows ChatGPT to personalize its assistance based on your current priorities. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can transform ChatGPT into a thorough and efficient personal assistant, ready to help organize and simplify your life. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll find that managing your daily tasks becomes much more seamless and less overwhelming.